Back inside the Cuneta Astrodome as you look at Miss SGO, Shena Olaso of ABC Sports, PBA Media Bureau Chief Willie Marcial, Mario Raimundo, there's Romy Guevara, and of course Commissioner Sunny Barrios, all part of Commissioner's Row, watching the games intently. Ito naman mga bisita to ni Coach Chot Reyes. They're here to support the phone pals. And so far, it has been a pulsating game. Chot's desired result, of course, is a victory for the phone pals, which might mark the end of their 5-game losing run.
Sa puntong ito, Nico, at Coach Ryan Gregorio already making that move that was maybe inevitable. Napagpahingin muna ito si Reda Ralini for a couple of minutes. Try to steal a couple of minutes to nurse those 5 fouls on the bench. Remember what happened in the third quarter. Nakaupo si Reda, umarangkada ang phone fouls. Let's see how the phone fouls will play pag wala ulit ito si Reda Ralini.
Foul on number 9, Matt Cardona.
Second person na laban kay Cardona.
Second team foul for the Philippines.
Well, let's face it, it's really hard to go toe-to-toe with James Yap and not give up fouls.
You look at the matchup though, James Yap has 11 points. He's looking for his 12th and 13th. Macmac Cardona already has 16 points. Albantahe pa na kay Macmac.
Here's a TM3. Step back, behind the back. No problem. Atid sa inyo ng bagong TM Discarte Sim, 30 pesos lang. May bagong diskarte ka na. Two out of 2 para kay James Yap, who has 13 points in the game. At lamang na muli Pure Foods 86-85. This ball game has been a bumper-to-bumper affair, especially here in the second half. Terrence Leather continues to score. Meron na po siyang 38 points.
And he likes that matchup pag bumabantay sa kanya si Enrico Villanuevas. Another turnover para dito sa Pure Foods. Actually, itong Pure Foods sa ating second half, ang total turnovers na nila lumobo na bigla. They have 12 turnovers in this Yes, 12 turnovers in this quarter.
And there's a flagrant foul here. So it might go against Enrico Villanueva.
Flagrant foul, penalty 1, number 14, Rico Villanueva. That is the second personal, 13 foul for the TJ Giants.
There's Enrico Villanueva at the free throw line. Giving Cardona a not so friendly nudge. Kamusta, pre? Kamusta si Jose?
Kaibigan mo yun, di ba?
So flagrant foul penalty 1 laban kay Villanueva. Although Cardona not maximize that trip to the line, pero may ball possession pa rin ang talking text dito.
I wonder why, they would get into an altercation. Ito si Enrico at si Macmac Cardona.
Same reason we do not. Alapa goes to Leather. Leather laban kay Raimundo. Remember, they had their altercations back in the first half. Cardona loses the ball. Here comes Peter Jun Simon. He gets the ball back and he spins out of control. But the ball will stay with Pure Foods.
That was numbers para sa Pure Foods. Good job para kay Jimmy Alapag not to give up that free throw or that layup para sa Pure Foods. Those are the little things that will matter, especially pag dikit ang laban.
James Yap, really bothered by this pesky defense by Cardona. Cardona gets the ball on the break, and the teardrop won't work. One more try para kay Cardona, but he throws the ball away. Here's Simon. He steps on the gas, and all the way!
Because it's a fairly quiet first half para dito kay Peter Jun Simon. Actually, no field goals para kay Peter Jun Simon. Only 2 points in that first quarter. But when the game opened up, fast break situations, This is where he excels, ito si Peter Jun Simon. Getting that foul, looking for his 17th point, his 15th point in the second half. It seems when Pure Foods needs that extra lift from the bench, ito si Peter Jun Simon really has obliged the entire year for the Giants.
Well, it's interesting, you know, sabi ni Simon dati, siyempre he would rather start. But he has been so effective coming off the bench here para sa Pure Foods. That happens to be part of their winning formula. As Retualo fired and misses. Rebound para kay James Yap. 1-point lead para sa Pure Foods. As we near the halfway mark of the fourth quarter, Simon open, scores! And Peter Jones Simon is the man of the moment. He has 19 points in the game.
Inside, outside para kay Peter Jun Simon. Sinubukan nila abangan doon sa loob. But that jump shot by Peter Jun Simon, big time as ito yung talking text ang ginagawa nila ngayon. Atake sa loob dahil mas malalaki sila.